Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically generate daily inspirational tweets using AI. So I am a business coach, and to create more engagement and connect to my audience, I post inspirational quotes every single day as tweets. Now doing this manually at a particular time posting unique quotes is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, I have created an AI agent using Pabbly Connect. Now every single day at a particular time, an AI agent is going to be triggered, a quote is going to be generated and automatically created as a tweet on my X account, that is formerly Twitter. So now if you want to learn how to create this AI agent for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to automatically generate daily inspirational tweets using AI agent. So as a business coach, I focus on inspiring and adding daily value to my audience to keep them motivated in their growth journey. I use an AI agent to generate unique and powerful inspirational quotes every day, and I use that same AI agent to automatically schedule and post these quotes as tweets on my Twitter account. This allows me to maintain consistency and engagement without any manual posting. And I'm going to create this amazing AI agent using Pabbly Connect. So on the new page, search for the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. Okay. After browsing this website, you're going to find the landing page of Pabbly Connect. After coming to the landing page, you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can sign in to your Pabbly Connect account directly. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. As I'm an existing user, so I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. And in order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the name of the workflow and for us to select a folder. So firstly, for the name of the workflow over here, I'm going to write it as. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow, that is AI agent to automatically generate daily inspirational tweets. So this is the name. After that, it is asking for me to select the folder. So on the left side of the screen, you can see I've created these many folders in my Pabbly Connect account. And from these folders, I'm going to select a specific one in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. These are the folders from which I'm going to select AI agents as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is then created over here in the name of AI agent to automatically generate daily inspirational tweets, and you can see that there are two windows in front of you. One is the trigger window, other is the action window. So what is trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps, and we are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Schedule by Pabbly. As with the help of this amazing feature by Pabbly, that is Schedule, we can schedule this workflow according to our requirement. So as my objective is to run this workflow every single day at a particular time to post the daily inspirational tweets. So that is why for my trigger application, I've selected as Schedule by Pabbly, and trigger event is going to be Schedule Workflow. It says, how often do you want to run this workflow? I want to run it every day. So I'm going to select as every day right here. At what time do I want to run this workflow? I want to run it at 10:30. So I'm going to select the timing as 10:30 right here. The time will be based on the account time zone. My account time zone is Asia, Kolkata. So I've added the time over here according to the time zone. And then I'm going to click on this save button. It says my workflow has been scheduled for every day and the time it will be 10:30 Asia, Kolkata. Okay. So now as I've added the schedule, this workflow is going to run at 10:30 in the morning every day. Okay. as I want to post the inspirational tweets at 10:30 on my X account, that is Twitter. Okay. So as now this workflow is going to be scheduled every day. Now I want an AI agent to generate the unique and powerful daily inspirational quote. For that, I'm going to set up my action step, and for my action application over here, I'm going to select it as OpenAI. I'm using my AI agent as OpenAI. This is my AI platform. If you want to use any other AI platform as your AI agent, you can do that according to your requirement, okay? An action event is going to be ChatGPT, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection that you've created before. It is asking for the token. Using this token, we're going to build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. To generate the token, go to this hyperlink given here below in the help desk right here. API keys page is going to then appear in front of you of your OpenAI account. And now to generate a new token, click on this create new secret key button on the top right corner. This dialog box is going to appear in front of you, on which give the name to the key, select the project and give the permissions over here as all. Add in all the details, click on the secret key button, create secret key button, a token is going to be generated. Copy it from here and paste that token in this field right over here. I've already followed all the steps and built the connection, so I'm going to select the existing connection from here and then click on the save button right over here to build the connection. You can see over here OpenAI is connected to Pabbly Connect. After that, it is asking for the AI model. For the AI model, I use it as GPT-4o mini, but if you want to use any other AI model, you can select it from the drop down right here. Next, it is asking for the prompt. Prompt is the text with the help of which we can generate the content according to our requirement. As over here, my objective is to generate 100% unique quotes to post it as tweets on my X account. So I'm going to specify what I need in this prompt right here. Specify all the things that you require and do not require for this AI agent to generate the content, okay? So where for the prompt, I'm going to write it as... So this is the prompt that I've written right over here. Generate 100% unique inspirational quote in a motivational tone that aligns with the voice of life coach. The quote should be original, short 1-2 sentences and emotionally uplifting. Avoid rephrasing existing quotes. Make it feel personal and powerful, relatable to everyday life. Okay, you can see this is the prompt that I've entered, using which the AI agent is going to generate the quote. I want to add another line in it that is going to be... It is do not provide anything other than the code, okay? So this is the prompt that I've written right over here, in which I've mentioned what are the things that I require and do not require, okay? So as I've added the prompt, now I'm going to click on the save and send test request button, and this AI agent is going to generate the code. And yes, you can see right over here, this AI agent has generated the code. That is, every step you take, no matter how small, shapes the masterpiece of your journey. Embrace each moment as a brushstroke of possibility. You can see right over here, this is the code that is generated. So as now this code is generated by our AI agent, I want to create this code as a tweet on my X account, that is formerly Twitter. Now for that, we're going to add an action step to this workflow. And for the action application over here, I'm going to select it as X, which is formerly Twitter. This is the action application, that is X formerly Twitter, okay? And for the action event over here, I'm going to select it as create tweet. After selecting the action application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection that you have created before. And after that, click on this connect with X button right over here. Over here, it is asking for the client ID and the client secret. From where can we have the client ID and the secret? For that, click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. Then you're going to land towards the help desk of Pabbly Connect account. Over here, you have received a document in which the steps are given here below, and from where you can generate this client ID and the secret. So firstly, over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this website given over here. And as soon as I'm going to open the website, I'm going to go towards the developer portal right over here. So over here in my developer portal, you can see over here it says projects and apps. I'm going to click on it, and I've already created an application right here. If you want to create your own application in the same document, you can find all the steps with the help of which you can create your own application. And as you're going to create the application, automatically you're going to have the client ID and the secret, okay? So over here, this is the application, and in this application right over here, it says keys and tokens. I'm going to go to it, and you can see this is the client ID. So firstly, I'm going to copy this client ID from here and paste it over here in my workflow. And for the client secret, what I'm going to do is I'm going to regenerate the client secret from here. I'm going to click on yes, regenerate. The secret is generated. Copy it from here and paste it over here in this field and click on this save button. Now after that, over here it is asking for me to authorize the app. I'm going to click on this authorize app button in order to connect this account to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this authorize app button right over here. And as I've done that, within few seconds you can see X, that is formerly Twitter, is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. Now firstly, it is asking for the message. Message is the tweet that we want to post. For the data of this field, we are going to map the data, which is inserting data from the previous step. So I'm going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. How it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, these were the previous steps. And from these previous steps is the AI agent step. As I'm going to click on it, you can see over here, this is the quote. And I want to post this quote as a tweet on my Twitter account. So I'm going to select the data from my previous response. As now I have selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data, okay? Now after mapping the data of this tweet, it is asking for the tweet ID and the direct message deep link. I do not want them, so I'm going to skip the part. And simply I'm going to click on the save and send test request button right here. And we have received a response, which is a positive response as we have received the data ID. So if I'm going to open my Twitter account and refresh this profile page from here, automatically you're going to see that this new tweet has been posted on my Twitter account. Every step you take, no matter how small, shapes the masterpiece of your journey. You can see this was the same AI generated quote, inspirational quote, is now been created as a tweet on my Twitter account, okay? So as now this tweet has been posted on my X account, that is formerly Twitter, this means this AI agent that we have created with Pabbly Connect is now successfully working. So over here, this workflow that we have created is going to run every day at 10:30 in the morning. And automatically using this action step, that is open AI ChatGPT, and AI agent is going to generate 100% unique inspirational quote. As the quote is going to be generated, automatically that quote is going to be created as a tweet using this action step, that is X formerly Twitter, create tweet. And every day on my X account, that is formerly Twitter, a new inspirational quote is going to be posted at a fixed time. So this is how I've created this AI agent to automatically generate daily inspirational tweets. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.